In this tutorial, we will learn about the MBend auto sequence feature and part simulation. First, open a 3D part file. Uncheck the Try Auto Process feature and click the Simulation option. This is a complicated part with deep flanges that interlace with one another. Click the Assign Preferred Tools option. These are the tools the machine operator prefers to use for this specific material and thickness. Next, go to the sequencing mode and use the auto sequencing feature. In the Auto Hits Sequence Setup dialog, click the Setup button to configure the auto sequencing rules. Click Start to create a bending sequence. During the sequence calculation, MBend takes into account the available punch and die segments and combines them into the optimal setup. Click Accept and create a simulation. Click the Play button to view the simulation. MBend automatically calculates the positions for the fingers. The last stage is to generate an NC file and a report file for the operator. The report includes all the information the machine operator needs to bend the part.